Across Australia and New Zealand, JP Morgan operates a broad and diversified wholesale business. We aim to be there for our clients at all times and to be their partner through all parts of the economic cycle, assisting in whatever they may need. This includes everything from corporate advisory, capital raising, markets-based services across fixed income, currency and commodities right through to equities, custody and funds administration, treasury services and transactional banking, as well as asset management. When we think about our local clients here in Australia, both corporations and institutions, we want to support them and add value for them, whether that's helping them to grow here in Australia or to expand into international markets. From a global perspective, in respect of the firm's multinational clients from around the world, our aim is to help them and assist them with whatever they may need in doing business here in Australia or investing into Australia for the first time. Underpinning our business across Australia and New Zealand is a team of around 1,300 dedicated professionals based in Sydney, Melbourne and Wellington. Whether it's here in Australia or around the world, we are, I think, uniquely positioned to provide solutions to our clients. This is supported by the firm's balance sheet strength. There's lots of, I think, good examples that spring to mind here, but just to demonstrate with one is an Australian company who is now a global leader in their sector. We've worked with the company for many years now in a range of different ways. We've assisted on a transformational international acquisition for them. We've played a leading role in acquisition financing, as well as associated equity and debt funding packages. We've also assisted them on a day-to-day basis with their operations now around the world, providing things like transactional banking and FX services across a number of different markets. Our corporate and investment banking business has two main parts. Firstly, within our banking business, we work with clients to achieve their strategic ambitions, providing advice across mergers, acquisitions, asset sales and reorganisations, as well as continuing to be a leading provider and arranger of equity and debt financing for Australian clients. We also help our clients conduct their everyday business. For example, we've got a dominant position in cross-border clearing, particularly in US dollars, so clients know they receive unparalleled global reach, efficiency and market access from us. Secondly, within our markets and investor services business, our equities business has helped clients to raise capital, to fund acquisitions, help with expansion plans and also in refinancing initiatives. We have a strong research franchise that provides clients with research and trading ideas, covering more than 200 Australian stocks. Our more broadly defined fixed income platform helps clients to manage their risk across a range of different instruments, including interest rates and foreign exchange. We support our global clients, including many of the world's central banks, as they broaden their market exposure via currency diversification into Australian dollars. Lastly, within that business, in investor services, we hold an approximate 40% market share of funds administration in the 1.5 trillion Australian superannuation segment. And through our partnerships with some of the country's leading superannuation funds, we are providing services that help them to meet the needs of their fund members. JP Morgan has operations in more than 100 markets, and we draw upon the experience and the expertise of our people, who all share a common goal to deliver solutions to our clients as our clients' needs evolve and as the markets continue to change. As a global bank operating in the local market, we're committed to supporting and hopefully strengthening our local community, primarily through increasing access to learning and education, and also providing development opportunities for disadvantaged students. Every year we also stage the JP Morgan Corporate Challenge, which in Sydney we host here in Centennial Park. It's a fun night, which is a team-based running event providing an evening of healthy competition and teamwork for the corporate community, whilst also at the same time providing and raising some much-needed funds for a range of very worthy causes.